you doing? What are you doing? She is on the counter. Not supposed to be. And see how well she behaves. And there goes Bagheera. Thank you, you two. I cleaned the counters and you jump on them. She likes to smell Clorox for some reason. She rubs in it. You are just being a naughty boy. Where you going? Sniff the fruit. Where you going? Off the counter, boy. Off the counter. You too, Miss Girl. You too, Missy Girl. Get off the counter. Get off the counter. Come on. And there he is again.